Okay, hello students. There are certain topics that need to be taught here from chapter 1 crop production. First of all, you need to understand the difference between cereal crops and fiber crops. Okay, what are cereal crops? Cereal crops are those crops which are grown for our consumption. जो हम अपने खाने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Whatever crops we grow for our use, like rice, wheat, maize, they are called cereal crops. What are fiber crops? Fiber crops are those crops from which we get fabric. You wear different clothes of different fabric. So where that fabric is made from these crops. So your example of fiber crops can be cotton, jute, okay. And then third category of crops is plantation crops. What are plantation crops? Like tea, rubber, coffee, okay, that we use for commercial purposes. Okay, now next topic is weeding. Do you know what weeds are? The unwanted plants. Whenever you grow any crop, you see there are certain unwanted plants around that crop. Okay, that is called weeds. They are harmful for your crop. So there are certain methods in your syllabus which will tell you how you can remove those weeds from the crop. First method is manual method. What do you mean by manual method? In manual method, you use your hand, okay, and you pluck that weed from the crop directly. You don't use any object, any instrument. Directly use your hand and you pluck that weed, okay. Second method is chemical method. What is chemical method? Whenever you grow any crop, first you sow the seed. So with the seed, we add certain chemicals inside the ground. So what will happen? These chemicals will not allow the weeds to grow. But normally what farmers or what people do, they don't use chemicals with the weed because it's a little costly. But if you see the bigger picture, what will happen? If you use those chemicals with the seed, your crops will not have weeds around it. Okay. Third method is mechanical method. What do you mean by mechanical method? Mechanical method means using certain instrument, using certain objects to pluck the weed. And the most commonly used thing in mechanical weeding is use of harrow or rake. Do you know what is harrow? In Hindi we call it khurpi. Okay, it's a pointed object, khurpi, from where we pluck the weed and we throw it. Last method is biological method. What do you mean by biological method? Look students, biological method means you release some insects into the crop. Mind you, those insects will not harm your crops. They use weeds or they eat weeds as their nutrition. Like we eat food for our nutrition. So these insects eat up the weeds for their nutrition. Okay. So these were 4 common methods: biological, chemical, mechanical and manual method. Now you need to understand what are manures and fertilizers. Okay, they both are used to enrich your soil. But manures are made naturally by using plant and animal waste, while fertilizers are made by using chemicals. Okay, so what are advantages and disadvantages? Advantage of manures are that manures will not harm your soil quality because they are natural and they will not cause any pollution in the environment, which is a bigger concern nowadays. What is the advantage of fertilizers? They are very quick to respond. Your crop will grow in a minimum amount of time and the quantity of crop would be a little higher than you use manure. Disadvantage of manure, it takes a lot of time. And disadvantage of fertilizer is if you continuously keep on using fertilizers for a longer period of time. अगर आप ज़्यादा use करेंगे fertilizers अपनी field में, तो what will happen? Your soil will lose its fertility. ज़मीन जो है वो उपजाऊ नहीं होगी. इसे कहते हैं ना बंजर हो गई ज़मीन. The soil has lost its fertility. So if you continue using your fertilizers for a longer period of time, what will happen? Your soil will lose its fertility. Okay. Then one topic is transplantation. You know what is transplantation? Transplantation means when you sow a seed, you sow it in a nursery. आप पहले seed को कहीं और sow करते हैं. When that seed starts growing, what you do? You shift that seed to a to a specified field where you will grow your crop. So that process of transferring the seed is called transplantation. Okay. Then there are two methods or modern methods of irrigation. First method is furrow irrigation. You know what is furrow irrigation? Furrow irrigation means you prepare certain rows of plants where you want to grow it, and you sprinkle the water and the fertilizers or the manure, whatever you want to use, and you sprinkle in those furrows. What will happen? Ultimately your crop will grow a lot quickly and it will not cause any harm. And then what is basin irrigation? See, basin irrigation is used the entire field. In this method, the entire field is filled with water, and at times it leads to overcrowding. It is mostly used in growth of paddy crops. Okay, basin irrigation is used for those crops which need a lot of water, and furrow irrigation is used in rows, and the crops don't need a lot of water as compared to basin irrigation. Okay, students, so these were two types. Then what is the advantage of modern methods which we use nowadays than the traditional methods? The first advantage is modern methods produce large quantity of crops. Second, they produce those large quantity of crops in lesser period of time. कम time में हमें ज़्यादा crops मिलते हैं. Okay, and farmers don't need to do a lot of hard work. So simple use fertilizers or the modern manures and you will see a terrific growth in your crops. Okay, student, so these were certain topics that I thought that need to be explained. You go through the link that I have sent to you. Okay, it's about your chapter 1 crop production. You will certainly gain certain almost all the things from there. Okay, and after this I'll give you certain questions from chapter 1 as an assignment. So I expect that you all will do the assignment in your respective copies and you will show it to me. Okay, students, thank you.